we start our day. Alam ko maraming activities and excited lahat sa mga activities ko. And meron tayong prepared na snacks sa taas. We invite everyone to take part. But before that, I'd like to thank everyone who came. Of course, si Father Toti, super thank you po, Father. We are really blessed to have you here. Thank you also kay Attorney Al Agra, the President of Philippine Salsa and Sports Federation. Two of the top national athletes here in the Philippines. We have, of course, not only the Philippines but in the world. We have Sandy Abahan here. We have Tess Patel. Shana, ayun, si Shana Gutan is here also. She will be leading later our first activity, which is to run faster. And then, thank you also to our partners, Whale, Salon Pass, si Sync, and Spartan Race Philippines.
Switch page, Spartan Race Philippines, Twitter and features Will, who has their booth where you can try out our products for today. We also have Switch, who's offering nutrition, which is essential when you are doing your racing and preparation for the race. You also have Salon Pass. They have their backdrop there where you can take a picture and post and use the hashtag Salon Pass page.
And of course, thank you also to our guests right now who are here. Our dear ambassadors from the Spartan Race Philippines, teams from SGS Calabao, Spartan Ravens, and everyone.
And a member of our new family, as we house our new home here at the Greenville District, the people from Greenville District is also here to join us today.
So, andito rin yung mga guys, our neighbors from Client Central are here. Thank you for joining us. Thank you so much. Ayan. And of course, our dear photographers, media, and videographers, maraming salamat for taking time from your busy schedule to capture this very special moment from all of us. Salamat from all the managing partners, from Hitch, kay Grace, kay Aris, kay TX, kay Nico and me. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.